Imagine what if your GPU could earn money while you sleep. Somewhere in the world, a developer needs AI power. Somewhere else, a powerful GPU is sitting idle. But today, companies like AWS stands in the middle, making AI expensive, centralized, and hard to assess. So here comes the Neural. Neural is basically a decentralized AI marketplace built on Solana chain, where people can rent their GPUs, deploy AI models, and sell all their datasets, all with instant crypto payments and no middleman. Neural is basically an AI marketplace where it connects AI builders, GPU owners, and developers into one chain economy. Then we have the problem statement. So the AI industry has mainly three major problems. First is the GPU power. Like the GPU power is mainly controlled by the big companies like AWS and Google Cloud, which like they rent them their GPUs. So if a person has a powerful GPU, they usually can't earn through them, like it's unused power, while like they are sleeping or doing anything else, and their GPUs are on rest, so they can earn them. Secondly, AI developers struggle to monetize their AI models, like setting up subscriptions and payments and infrastructure, like it is totally complicated. Thirdly, like there is little transparency. People don't know if they rented GPUs are reliable or if datasets are trustworthy. So Neural basically solves all these three problems in one platform. So basically the solution in Neural is a decentralized marketplace built on Solana. It has three core parts. First is the DePIN, like people can easily rent their GPUs. Second one is the AI model marketplace, like developers who develop like good AI models can't sell. So Neural solve this problem, and people like good developers can easily sell their models. Third one is the dataset marketplace. Like people can upload data, they can buy data, they can sell datasets. Like this is totally easy and only on one platform. So lastly, Neural is more than just a marketplace. It builds an AI economy where people can earn from their computes, models, or dataset. If you own a GPU, you can monetize it. If you build an AI model, you can easily earn through it directly. If you use AI, and you want to have a dataset and you're trading a model, yeah, then you can also buy them. And if a person has a custom website, then they can sell them. So our goal is simple: make AI open, decentralized, and accessible to everyone. And hence we are using Solana, so everything is transparent, no scam, nothing. So that's Neural. Thank you so much.